How to download all your data from Google. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can download all your data of your Google. Head over to your Google Chrome. Make sure you are logged into your account that you wanna download your data of. Now go to google.com, and as you go here you can find the profile icon on the screen. Tap on it and here go to manage your Google account. Now once here, as you scroll sideways, you'll get the option data and privacy. Click on it, and if you scroll down below, scroll until the end, and here you'll get the option to download or delete your data. Now tap on download your data, and here it will ask you to select the options that you want to delete your data of your Google account for, or you can select or deselect as per your need. And if you scroll down below, click on next step. Now as you tap it, choose whether to send download link via email, add to drive, add to Dropbox, add to OneDrive, or add to Box. I'll just leave it to send download link via email and scroll down and create export. You can see you can choose your file type, and you can see your file size right here. Now click on create export, and here you'll get a notification saying your files are currently being prepared. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You will receive an email when your export is done. Now once the Google exports your data, it will send it to your Google account, Gmail or email, and you can download it from there. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.